Hello friends, today we will have some concept on occupational safety and health hazard and its associated risk. Occupational hazard which takes place on floor and probable outcome of these hazard called risk. In this session, we will go through definitions and different type of hazard like physical, chemical, biological, mechanical, psychological and ergonomical hazard. Let's discuss on definition first. So, hazard is source which has potential for harm in terms of injury and illness, property damage, bad impact of environment as well. And risk is a combination of occurrence and severity of injury. Safety and health hazard you can differentiate as per injury, illness respectively. So, occupational hazard have been divided into physical, chemical, biological, mechanical, psychological and ergonomical hazard. So, heat, cold, light, radiation, noise, vibration, all are come under physical hazard. So, now start from heat and its associated risk. There are some type of health effect caused by extreme temperature like heat stroke, heat exhaustion, heat syncope, heat cramp, burn. So, in heat stroke resulting due to a prolonged exposure of sun or a heat exhaustion resulting in head chafe, fatigue, muscles weakness, heat syncope resulting in unconsciousness because of too much exposure of high temperature, heat cramp resulting in muscles spasm from lack of salt, water due to rigorous activity, and burn can caused by direct fire or electrocution. So now come to cold and its associated risk. So due to cold, there are risks like frostbite, trench foot, and chilblains. So in frostbite resulting in localized damage to skin and other tissue due to freezing, you can see photographs. Trench foot caused by exposure of prolonged cold condition, and chilblains caused by poor blood circulation in the skin when exposed to cold, and it look like a small itchy painful lumps that develop on skin. Next one is inadequate illumination and its risk. So worker may be exposed of risk of poor illumination and excess brightness. Acute effect of poor illumination are eye strain, eye fatigue, eye pain and lacrimation. Then chronic effect cause minor nystagmus in which victim is not able to see in dark or poor light. Exposure of brightness or glare cause visual fatigue. Intense glare cause blurring vision which lead to accident. So next one is noise. Noise related risk has been divided into two types. First one is a temporary threshold shift resulting in hearing loss after exposure of high noise. Actual hearing ability recover within 16 to 48 hours. Then permanent threshold shift, it is irreversible hearing loss. And addition to hearing loss, high noise can cause hypertension, palpitation, disturb relaxation and sleep. So now come to radiation and its associated risk. So there are two kind of radiation, ionization radiation and non-ionization radiation. So high exposure cause damage to living tissue, skin, burn and death due to ionization radiation. Then low exposure can cause cancer and genetic disorder is also caused due to ionization radiation. like X-ray and gamma ray. Non-ionization radiation, UV, infrared, laser are come under category of non-ionization radiation. So exposure of UV radiation mainly affect the eye, cause intense conjunctivitis and keratitis. Symptom of it redness in eye, pain, and these actually disappear in few days with no permanent effect on vision. So, exposure to infrared can cause conjunctival burn, retinal injury, and cataract. Exposure of laser causes skin and eye problem. Then, vibration and its associated risk. So, continuous work with vibrator, drill machine, hammer affect hand and arm. Blood vessel of finger become highly sensitive, which lead to white finger disease. Exposure of vibration may also cause injuries of joint and shoulder. So vibration associated risk have been divided into two types. First one is segmental vibration, and second one is whole body vibration. Segmental vibration cause hand arm vibration syndrome, symptom of which are tingling, numbness, and blanching of finger and pen. Then in whole body vibration cause fatigue, irritability, headache, disorder of spine. So these are due to vibration and its associated risk. Now come to chemical. In industries, chemical can cause several type of hazard. Uh, Chemical can cause burn, dermatitis, cancer, and respiratory ill. Fumes or gases cause several type of health problem as expiasient gases, irritant gases, toxic gases, and as a dust or a particle, chemical can cause silicosis, asbestosis, and there are many kind of dust generated in industry like silica, coal dust, asbestos, which can cause many kind of notifiable disease. So this is for chemical hazard. So now come to biological hazard. Biological hazard can caused by virus, bacteria, fungus, and parasites. So biological hazard are responsible for many pandemic outbreaks like COVID-19, SARS, H1N1, dengue, and many others. Now come to mechanical hazard. Mechanical hazard, there are some example of mechanical hazard like unguarded rotating equipment, pinch point of conveyor machine, hot surface, sharp edges or come under mechanical hazard. So psychological hazard and its associated risk. Psychological hazard can lead to depression, discouragement, anxiety, memory loss, irritability, dissatisfaction. So all these are psychological hazard and its effect. Then come to ergonomical hazard. Ergonomic hazard are physical factor in environment that may cause musculoskeletal injuries. Type of ergonomic hazards are equipment layout and operation, lifting, pushing and pulling operation, lighting, noise, task, job and workplace design, workstation design and height, and many other. We will conduct a separate session for ergonomics. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you and have a nice and safe day.